رمضان تجلى وابتسم طوبى للعبد إذا اغتنما
We are very close to the eve of the greatest month of the year. Shahr Ramadan is a brilliant month. It's no surprising then that the eve of its commencement is also considered to be one of the best nights of the year. Here are 5 recommended deeds that you and I can perform to gain the most reward as well as pleasure of the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number 1, niyyah, intention to fast. Make sure that the intention is there for fasting of the entire month. And remember, Ramadan is a gift from God. So the intention to fast should be made with delight and anticipation. Yes, you will work to make this the best Ramadan. Number 2, ziyarah of Imam Al-Hussein, peace be upon him. We are told not only does this help for the forgiveness of sins, but also for gaining significant reward. Number 3, to recite various du'as found in Mafatih al-Jinan or also online in du'as.org, especially for this night. Some of them ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for genuine tawfiq and blessings to observe fast in the best possible way and that He accepts it. Remember to give sadaqah too tonight as well. Number 4, for those that are married, it's recommended to have physical intimacy with the spouse on a night like this. This is actually extracted from the Quran, chapter 2, verse 187, as well as narrations. And it's not usually recommended to do this on the eve of the beginning of other months in the Hijri calendar, but the eve of the first of Ramadan is an exception. In addition, taking ghusl, ritual washing, is recommended so that we enter the holy month of Ramadan with both physical and spiritual purity. Number 5, to recite the Quran so that we enter the month of the Quran with the spirit of God's immaculate words and to allow it to penetrate our hearts. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you all, accept your fast and devotion, and allow us all to perform the a'mal of the eve of the first of Ramadan with this great anticipation and optimism.
ينجي المأثوم من